Greetings, my name is Songes Mbanga, and today I'll be doing a presentation of my project, which is Intelligent Home Security System. Um, as we all know, that during load shedding, crime tend to increase, especially at night time. So my project will be offering some solutions to that. This is my proposal, which basically talk about what I just said, that we have a problem of crime during load shedding and especially at night. This is my block diagram. These are my inputs. Is the LDR sensor, the 4x4 matrix keypad. This is the PIR sensor. This is the touch sensor, and this is the power supply for the GSM module. And here we have the Arduino, the microcontroller, which makes the communication between the inputs and the outputs. At the outputs we have the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, the SIM800 GSM module, the relay module, the LCD I2C, and the servo. The relay module sends a signal to the buzzer, and the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module sends the data to cloud, which is ThingSpeak. This is my schematic. So there are all the components that I just mentioned here. So most of the components get their power supply from 5 volts, which is from the Arduino, and the ESP8266 get its power supply from 3.3 volts, and it also connected with the 1000 microfarad capacitor, and the GSM module gets its power supplies from 12 volt. This is my PCB, which is basically the same which basically shows the same connections as the schematic. This is the top side of the PCB, and this is the bottom side of the PCB. This is my flow diagram, which explains the working of my project, which I'm going to explain when I'm demonstrating the working of the project. Now I'm going to show you the working of my project. Here on my project, we have this keypad, which when I enter the pin, the LCD will display the characters, and if I enter the correct pin, the servo will rotate, opening the gate, and the LCD will display welcome. If I enter the wrong pin, the LCD will display denied, and the servo will not rotate. This PIR, when the servo is rotated and the gate is open, this PIR will sense when the person is entering, and the servo will rotate back to its original position. We have this touch sensor for when there's maybe the person was breaking in. This touch sensor will sense contact, and the relay module underneath here will send a signal to the buzzer to sound an alarm, while also the GSM module at the same time will send an SMS that reads an intruder alert. There's also this LDR sensor. When it senses darkness, that GSM modules again will send an SMS that reads be cautious, it is load shedding. We also have this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, which takes data from all the sensors and sends it to ThingSpeak via the cloud. Now, to demonstrate this keypad, when I enter the wrong pin, the LCD display is denied. When I enter the correct pin, the servo rotates, and the PIR sensor rotates the servo back to its original position. Now, in case of when there's a person maybe who may be breaking in by climbing over the walls of the yard or on the gate, there's this touch sensor. So when I touch the touch sensor, the relay module sends a signal to the buzzer, and the GSM module sends an SMS to the owner of the house that reads intruder alert, as it shows that it was sent at 1518, as the time now is currently 1518. Now to demonstrate when there may be load shedding, maybe the owner may not be aware, maybe they may not be home. So in order to be more cautious, this LDR sensor, when it senses that there's darkness, the GSM sends an SMS that reads, be careful, there's load shedding. So when the lights go off, as I'm about to demonstrate, as the lights go off, the light bulb in front of the house, the GSM module should send an SMS to the owner of the house that reads, be careful, there's load shedding. Or as you can see, the message has been sent by the GSM module that reads, be cautious, it is load shedding. It was sent at 1522. It was sent a minute ago, as it's currently 1523. Now I'm going to show you the data that is taken by the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module from the sensors to the cloud server, that is ThingSpeak. We have three sensors: darkness, which is sensed by the LDR sensor. Then we have movement, which is sensed by the PIR sensor, and then we have contact, which is sensed by the touch sensor. So when we go to the data, that is the data of the LDR sensor, which is the darkness, when there's no light, we can see that it was updated about a minute ago. Yes. And then yes, for all the sensors it was updated not so long ago. So this information, you can see it anywhere in the world, and also see what has been happening with your system. So yes, that will be the end of my presentation.